Hey everyone, welcome to Open More Toys. I'm Lily, and today we have an awesome Minnie Mouse surprise egg. James worked super hard on this egg, so I'm super excited to find out what surprises are inside. I can't wait. Let's go ahead and open her up. Unfortunately, we have to open up this pretty egg, but let's go ahead and peel back the Play-Doh. Whoa, there's a whole bunch of toys in here. Let's go ahead and pour it on the table. Whoa, what's that? Orbeez? Awesome. These things are so cool. They're like squishy and slimy and it feels wet too. I love it. I love these Orbeez. If you guys want us to do more Orbeez videos, write Orbeez in the comments down below. Alright, the first toy we're going to open up today is Shopkins plush bag. Let's see which Shopkins we get today. It's a Cookie Shopkins, and her name is Cookie Cookie. Up next, we have the Disney Figaro key rings, and it is from their Series 3 collection. There's so many cute characters. I wonder which one we're gonna get. And it looks like we got it looks like Tinkerbell, but she's in army green. I'm not sure what her name is though. She's not in the back. Ooh, it looks like we got a mystery minifigure. It looks like we got the second mystery minifigure, and it looks like Tinkerbell. Do you guys know who we got? If you do, please write it in the comments down below. And our next toy is Frozen Fash'ems. I love Fash'ems. They're just like Mash'ems and they're super squishy. And it looks like we have Kristoff. Ooh, let's look how squishy he is. Ooh, it's kind of hard. Squishy. Squish? Nope, can't really squish him that much. He's a lot harder than any Mash'ems or Fash'ems I've gotten. Up next, we have this awesome blind box, and it's Heroes vs. Villains Mystery Mini. So there's a chance to get either a hero or a villain from a Disney movie. It's Jafar, the villain from Aladdin. He's such an evil bad guy with his snake cane. And now we have a fan favorite. It's Mufia Tokidoki. These characters are so cute. And it looks like we got Leche, and he is a raging bull on the carton. And next up is the Littlest Pet Shop blind bag. Looks like we have a frosted, snow-covered tree stump and a cute little raccoon. And this is the Disney Princess Palace Pets Series 2 blind bag. The Palace Pets are so cute and adorable. Let's see which one we get today. Ooh, it looks like we have this cute little animal today, and her name is Nuzzles. Can you guys tell me what kind of animal she is? Now we just found these brand new My Little Pony blind bags. And it looks like there's a whole new series of ponies that you can get here. Ooh, we have this awesome sparkly clear pony. And her name is Lovestruck. And Lovestruck, she loves playing sports. And it looks like we have Hello Kitty Tokidoki. And what it is, it's either Hello Kitty dressed up or with a Tokidoki character. Awesome, and it looks like we have Hello Kitty and she's with a unicorno. I think this is one of my favorites from the series. And our last toy today is going to be this Minnie Mouse surprise egg. I wonder what's inside the egg. Let's find out. We have some heart-shaped candy, yummy, and also a checklist. And then I see a Minnie Mouse sticker and she's wearing a hoodie. And then we also have this cute Minnie Mouse comb. Awesome! We got a whole bunch of cool toys today. And now I have to clean it all up. But before I clean it up, let's go ahead and collect all these Orbeez and play with them first. They're so cool and bouncy and squishy and slimy. I love it. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to click the thumbs up button down below. And don't forget to click here or the subscribe button down below so you guys can watch all our future videos. Thanks for watching Open More Toys. See you next time.